Friday, 10 o'clock in the morning, June 25th. This is a quick scan of the property. You can see we got all the dirt cleaned up, or a lot of the dirt cleaned up. It's getting hauled out tomorrow. Along with the rock pile there. Had our first window drop, which is looks good. The windows look good. Went with mill guard. You can see the top plate is formed on almost all of my south wall and almost all of the north wall. The top plate for the front will come, I guess, tomorrow, and these guys are working on setting the back top plate, hopefully today. So I'll have 4 walls up, not completely, but pretty close.